ACE Production Technologies is proud to present the LTS200 lead tinning machine. The system features two flowing solder pots and a centrally located fluxing station with a fully programmable X-Z motion that carries a tool holder and populated tools through the process of fluxing and dipping into each sequential solder pot. The control panel features the necessary operational switches and controls for each individual solder pot, including individual proportional temperature controllers and flow meters for the nitrogen inerting atmosphere surrounding each solder pot. Generating the programming for the LTS200 is easily accomplished by using a sequential series of the hot buttons on the operator's setup screen. As the hot buttons are activated, the corresponding code is written into the script automatically. You can easily set a specific process for each component type. When perfected, the files are stored in the part master for call-up at a later date. With the program written, you can test the program using the dry cycle run button or go directly to production. The LTS200 process allows for refurbishing leads to current mill standards by removing undesirable lead finish such as gold in one solder pot and applying a fresh intermetallic coating of fresh solder at the second solder pot station. All aspects of the process such as speeds, dwells, immersion times, and proximity over the solder pot for initial preheat are programmable and controlled by the operating system. You can even add a jiggle or a scrubbing action to help solubilize the unwanted plating. The final solder coating thickness is actually controlled and programmable by setting the extraction speed out of the solder pot. Depending on the lead configuration, solder coating thicknesses in excess of 200 microinches are possible and repeatable. These three examples of PGAs, axials, and dip components are typical of the tinning process, but virtually all components, whether through hole or surface mount, can be reworked in the same manner. The solder height can be accurately set to be just above the seating plane or all the way to the body. When fitted with two lead-free solder pots, the LTS200 platform becomes a rework machine enabling conversion of tin lead product to RoHS compliance. An ever-increasing family of tooling is available for axials and radial components, non-magnetic components that can be held by clip, connector fixtures for all connector sizes up to 6 inches in length, fixtures for components that can be held magnetically, header pins or individual pins, and flat pack and quad flat pack devices.